Now it's time to learn how to use the call evaluation system. So let's start by logging in. You will follow the link that has already been sent to you and you will land on the YGuess login page that looks like this. You will now type in your username and then your password and click on the submit button. You are now in your YGuess system and your landing page is going to look something like this. Before we explain the dashboards on the landing page in more detail, let's start by completing how to conduct the call evaluation of a call. In order to do this, you will move your cursor over to the Call Evaluations icon and select the Call Evaluation Template drop-down. You will now see a list of your agents on the left-hand side of the screen. The system has asked you to select an agent to evaluate, and you will select that agent by moving your cursor over to the agent's name and click on the selected name. You will now be required to fill in the call information of the call. Select the product type first. Type in the unique reference number of the call. Add the date of the call, the time of the call, and then click on the Submit button. Once you have clicked on the Submit button, the next screen that you're going to see will be the Call Evaluation Template. You will now begin evaluating your call using the behavioral indicators on the Call Evaluation Template. You will evaluate the call to the best of your ability. If you need some guidance, you can move the cursor over to the blue question marks and they will give you a description of what you are evaluating. You can use this information to assist you to evaluate more effectively. Now, when you are ready to start evaluating the call. We encourage you to fill in the comments boxes as you go. Remember, you will refer to these comments later on in your session. Try and keep them as detailed as possible. You will evaluate the score of your call evaluation out of 5, 5 being the highest score and 1 being the lowest score. Please bear in mind that depending on your company, your highest score may be 4 and your lowest 1. If you feel that the behavior that we are measuring is not present in the call, simply click on the Not Applicable button like this. This will make sure that it does not interfere with your final score. You can see the score you gave for the previous call evaluation session over here. And if you'd like, you can even see the last comment for each behavioral indicator by moving your cursor over this icon. At the bottom of your evaluation session, you will see 2 icons. One icon is going to say Submit, and one icon is going to say Discard. If you are happy with your evaluation, you can press Submit and move on to the next screen. If for any reason you have been disturbed or you cannot finish the call evaluation session, you will press Discard. This button will clear the system of all the data entered on this call evaluation so that it does not corrupt the data and does not corrupt the footprint.